everyone, this is Dawn with DEK Designs, and I'm coming at you with today's free kit for Hump Day Happy Meal. This week, the kit is called Winter Cabin, and it features silver sparkle foil. These are your full boxes. I love the cup stain there. Very, very pretty, very pastel. And then your date covers and your washi. This does come with a set of matching date dots and a set of fashion girls. These are your flags, your scallop headers, your scallop half circles, bow headers, work labels, and deco. Your half boxes and quarter boxes, habit trackers. Your 3-heart checklist boxes, 5-heart clipboard, sidebar, quarter boxes, and some script. And then your script headers, glitter headers, weekend banner, and checklist flags and page flags. So that is today's free kit with $19 minimum purchase. It's called Winter Cabin, and it'll be up on the site for 24 hours. Thank you everyone, and have a fabulous Wednesday.